Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to hide apps on iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. In order to hide apps, all you need to do is press and hold your finger on the app in the home screen that you want to hide, and then you need to choose Require Face ID. Then you have the option to hide and require Face ID. Use Face ID in order to hide it, and confirm that you want to do that, and there we go, the app is now gone. In order to find the app, then you can go to the app library, scroll down to find hidden, go over there, use Face ID, and there we go, the app should be revealed. And that's pretty much it. You can also, of course, hide apps from the app library as well. So if you don't have the app in the home screen, then you can press and hold the finger on the app in the app library as well, and use once again Require Face ID. In some cases, it seems that the option to hide the app is not there. However, for most, if not all, apps that you have downloaded by yourself, there should be an option to hide it. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!